All right, in this quick video, I want to show you how to stabilize a shaky clip in Adobe Premiere. All right, so I have this clip in my timeline, and if you watch, there's pretty severe shakiness going on there in this clip. I have this clip in there twice just to I'll show the effect. It's not going to fix it perfectly, but it does a pretty nice job of fixing those bumps right there. So let's look at how to do this. It's pretty quick and easy. You're just going to go to your effects window. Down here, I just found my effects window. Type in warp, and it's the warp stabilizer. You're just going to drag and drop that on your clip. And then over in your effects panel up here, it's starting to work its magic now. I recommend that you try to put this up to 100% for the smoothness. If it messes with the scale, you can click this preserve scale. Didn't look like it did here, so let's kind of see. That's a lot better than it was. Here, watch the old one where look at that shaking it. That was not there in the new one. So yeah, it's a pretty good tool for fixing shaky clips. Let me know if you have a different way of doing it, but I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.